This video is going to be about the brake controller, choosing the right brake controller for your semi truck, which this has air brakes, air over electric and hydraulic. But you guys wondering what that is. Well, I'm going to show you. Tony's Sacramento. Oh, yeah, I like that sign better.
We're at Tony's truck trailer parts and repair in Sacramento, and they just put in the brake system.
Wiring that's there, the brake lights and the blinkers are separate. On your trailer you're going to pull, the brake lights and blinkers are combined together.
Sounds complicated, man. That's why I let you guys deal with it. You know, that's a professional deal.
I've had to deal with it's really bad with the import vehicles, the Mazdas, Toyotas. They're combined, but your truck is separate. So you got to wire in these stupid little modules. You got to hook it to the battery. You got to do all this stuff. Yeah. I know those lights are combined together.
And it's funny now that everybody does this kind of work, man. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
I'm coming out of Stockton. Valve right here. It's called the.
So this is the foot valve. This is the pressure side when you step on the brake pedal. Double check valve and a pressure switch to feed the brake controller.
See? And what does that do?
This sends a signal to the brake controller to trigger it to send juice out of the brake controller to give it the blue wire, make the blue wire hot for the electric brakes.
See, I'm glad I got you guys do this because
I mean,
you got to know your stuff. Being air brakes to electric over hydraulic, it's
so I mean the same theory as the other one that we do, the air to electric brake controllers, where that switch is.
Yeah.
This little guy.
Yeah.
You take like a little 1/8-inch air line, you got to run it into the cap to the brake controller, so that gives the controller the air, which triggers in the brake controller to send the signal out to.
And see, this is why I came all the way from Stockton, because you got to get somebody that knows what they're doing, because I'm totally lost with this stuff. I mean,
I had a professional draw me a diagram that I worked with for years. So.
I went to so many dealerships, not even Freighliner, they don't do it, man. But you guys, they've been doing this for a long time, and this is like a piece of cake for him.
This is the first one I've done like this.
See? All right, bro. Hey, thank you. Appreciate it. And we're at the Tony's in Sacramento, man.
I'll get your hood for you.
Thank you.
At least the hood on this is nice and light. The rest of them, I'm the little guy.
Yeah.
Some of those.
Oh, you know what? This is an M2. This is a small little truck.
When you get those old long nose Pete's that I really like.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. I ain't got enough lead in the old.
Yeah, man.
In the rear end, and I get up there.
Yep.
The freight comes up. But yeah.
All right, bro.
Have a good one. I'm gonna finish my day off.
Thank you. Trailer brake to the truck, put the brakes on the trailer, and then back up.
Trying to work out the bugs in this thing, okay?
Testing the lights.
I gotta look for it, and then look for the brake, electric. You see that? Electric or hydraulic. 5.5. Boom. Okay. What you're gonna do? You're gonna tap these brakes. I'm gonna listen to the. Test driving the truck with the trailer with my new brake controller. So you can see the brake controller right here. It's called this is the Prodigy E3. first time pulling the trailer. I'm on the freeway, but I'm just trying to figure out this brake controller. Electric over hydraulic. It cost me a little money, but to me, something like this, I'm going to pay a little more because you're dealing with the brakes, the proper brakes on your hydraulic, electric over hydraulic trailer that I have, the Infinity. But right now, the truck, I got the trailer. It doesn't feel like I got anything back there. With the Dodge, you do. I wonder why.
And there it is. Of course, it's empty.
Yeah, anytime you pull in these trailers with the air brakes, you got to back off on the brakes on the trailer, because these are the air brakes, and if you got them too tight on the trailer, they'll lock up on you. So I got to do something about this right here. This is actually easier to back up a trailer like this than the Dodge. Did you know how many times did I pull up? Once, huh? With the Dodge, I end up way over there hitting the Mercedes. It's because you can see more, or maybe because I've been doing this for 30-something years. I'm so used to backing up that high. On a Dodge, you're short.
Yeah.
Being up there, you can see everything.
And all these windows.
I'm gonna continue. So anyway,